Hi, my name's Andy Silver from Garmin. I'm here with Chain Reaction Cycles to talk about the Forerunner 910 XT, the most advanced GPS training watch on the market. It's slim, it's lightweight, it's fully swim-proof, it has up to 20 hours battery life, which makes it perfect for serious triathletes and endurance athletes. Like all of our GPS watches, you switch the GPS on, you get a signal, and you press start. And once you've done that, the 910 XT will record how far, how fast, and where you're training. And because it's GPS, it can do that for multiple sports. And it's that versatility which sets the 910 XT apart. So many of our watches have been versatile in the past, but the 910 XT takes that to an entirely different level. It adds a vibration alert, so you can get alerts when you're training in windy conditions or when you're training alongside a busy road. It also adds an integrated altimeter, so when you're running or riding, you get accurate elevation, gradient, and ascent data. And with ANT+, the 910 XT is compatible with a variety of performance sensors. Heart rate monitors, run cadence sensors, bike cadence sensors, power meters, even weight scales. And like all of our products, the device is fully customizable. You can customize the number of pages you see, and you can customize each specific data field on those pages. And with all of that data, you can use the 910 XT to really help your training with the advanced workout capability. The 910 XT will guide you through complex workouts, which is great for when you're turbo training or great for if you're doing a run session away from the track. But probably the most significant introduction on the 910 XT is the addition of an accelerometer into the watch to allow you, for the first time ever, to get detailed open water or pool-based swimming information. The accelerometer in the watch works by detecting your arm movement and your stroke rate. For open water, it uses a combination of GPS to track how far and how fast you're swimming, with that accelerometer information to track your stroke rate, your stroke count, and your swim efficiency. So it's when you're swimming in the pool that the accelerometer comes into its own. You simply input the length of the pool that you're swimming in. The accelerometer then looks for breaks in your stroke pattern to calculate the distance based on each length that you complete. As well as how far and how fast you're swimming, you're also going to get your stroke rate, your stroke count, and your stroke efficiency, even inside in a pool. So for the first time, whether you're open water or whether you're swimming in a pool, you're going to get full swim information. So whether you're running, riding, or swimming, the 910 XT captures a lot of your data. But it's actually very easy to transition between those sports. Simply push and hold the mode button when you're training, if you want to do a different sport, and as soon as you switch the sport, the device is going to remember all of the data fields that you looked at for that particular sport without you having to change them. And when you're in a race situation, you can use the multi-sport mode. Then, at the touch of a button, you can easily transition from swim to transition to bike to your second transition and then to your run with just the press of one button during the race. And of course, all of that data is uploadable to Garmin Connect, where you can see your training and racing on a variety of maps with a variety of charts, and you can even relive each step of the way using the player capability. So every run that you do with your Forerunner can be uploaded to Garmin Connect, where you see your run overlaid on a variety of maps, you see the summary performance information of your run, and you see that performance broken down on a series of charts with whatever sensors you were using with your Forerunner. You can even relive each run using the player capability. This shows you how you're performing at each point along your run. So for a triathlete, the 910 XT really is a huge step forward. For the first time, every stroke, every pedal rev, and every step can be recorded of your triathlon journey. So that's the Forerunner 910 XT, the most complete and the most advanced GPS training watch. And it's available to buy at chainreactioncycles.com.